Right, hi everyone, welcome back to Stu's Old Cars. I'm not going to do much of a video this week, as all I'm doing really is stripping paint, but I'll just show you quick what I have been doing, or what I've done so far today, and I'll just film a little bit of what I'm doing. Right, so I've got all of this still to strip, rear quarter and that. I've stripped all of this. Pillar, obviously not the pillar the other side because I've already done that, because this is already in epoxy. But yeah, this is taking an absolute age. I don't know whether you can see how thick this paint is, but it's been an absolute nightmare. I mean, look at it, you can see all that dust in the cracks. Looks like crazy paving. But yeah, so I've stripped about 3/4 of the roof so far, but this has taken probably a couple of hours, but it is what it is. And once it's done, it's done. This has got to be the worst panel to do, but yeah, I'll just film me doing a little bit on this last bit. I ain't being a good boy and using my mask. Oh, this is such a nightmare. So I've been finding the best way to do it is to try and sort of skim over the top first and get rid of the first couple of layers, and then sort of go back round it, because it's just so thick. As it's eating that paint up, it's almost turning like sort of gluey to start with. But yeah, it's getting there. Right, now that's the roof stripped. God, it takes such a long time. I might even leave this in real time so you can see how long it takes. But have a look. Now, look how long that just took. It took about 4 times longer than that. That is quicker with this grinder. I was using the cordless one, but this does seem to work a bit quicker. Right. Well, I think that's going to be it for this video. That's just a bit of a quick show around. I'm going to carry on stripping the rest of the paintwork on the car, but this is probably a bit boring. Any of these little bits, we'll get them with when I'll DA it all off. Because we've got to key it all up for the epoxy anyway. Right, cool. Right, so we got that all stripped off. I think I already showed you that, but and I've got this rear quarter stretch. I don't know what the best way to show you. So that one's all stripped now. I've still got to do the door surround and the surround around the tailgate. And the odd couple of little bits, there's like a little bit there. But the rest of it now is all stripped. Well, apart from the wings and the bonnet and the tailgate and everything, obviously, but they can come later. The thing is to get this in epoxy now. But unfortunately, that's not going to be today. God, I'm knackered. This has took an absolute age. But at least the worst of it is now stripped. So, happy days. Right, like I said, just a little bit of an update this week. So, you've probably already skipped through me, like, cleaning the roof, stripping the roof over there anyway. But thanks for watching anyway, and I will catch you next time with a bit more of an update.